everyone. Welcome back once again to the YouTube channel of Overseas Arena. My name is Bhavna, and today I will be telling you how to attempt another IELTS cue card. So the cue card for the week is describe a valuable item that you would like to give as a gift. So students, make sure the bullets that are given to you on the screen, to whom you would like to give, what do you want to give, why do you want to give it, and how long do you need to save it. You need to make a story on the basis of these 4 bullets only. And always keep in mind that you don't have to stop until and unless the examiner asks you. If you stop after 2 or 3 minutes, then the examiner will consider it in a negative marking. So make sure you speak impromptu with confidence, with fluency, and with correct pronunciation. After this cue card is done, then at the last, follow-up questions will be asked to you. These follow-up questions will be related to whatever content that you have spoken. As I also told you that you need to use opinion connectors such as I think, I believe, I suppose, in my opinion, before you answer these follow-up questions. Make sure you use connectors such as moreover, furthermore, additionally, nevertheless, subsequently, consequently, while you're speaking the cue card. I hope this video was really helpful for you to how to attempt these cue cards, and I will be sharing the PDF also in the official YouTube channel of Overseas Arena. If you aspire to pursue your overseas dream, and if you aspire to pursue your immigration dream, then please get in touch with the team of Overseas Arena. Like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.